Compressed natural gas (CNG) is playing an increasingly important role in Nigeria's energy landscape. The Nigerian government has recognized the potential of CNG as a cleaner, more cost-effective alternative to traditional fuels and has taken steps to promote its adoption.
We have opened a new chapter in public transportation through the development of cheaper, safer, compressed natural gas, CNG.
Through policy initiatives and investments, the government is working to build out the necessary infrastructure, including CNG fueling stations across the country. This provides the foundation for private sector companies like Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing to develop and manufacture CNG-powered vehicles that are more accessible and affordable for Nigerian consumers. The media has also stepped up, educating citizens on the benefits of CNG, from reduced emissions and lower fuel costs to its role in reducing Nigerians' dependence on imported fossil fuels. This public awareness campaign has been crucial in driving demand and acceptance of CNG among the general population. Stakeholders in the transport industry, from fleet operators to taxi and bus companies, are also embracing the CNG transition. By converting their vehicles to run on this cleaner fuel, they are not only lowering their operating expenses, but also contributing to improved air quality in Nigerian cities. Ultimately, the shift to CNG in Nigeria is a collaborative effort, one that requires the coordinated participation of the government, private sector, media, industry players, and the average Nigerian consumer. As this momentum continues to build, CNG is poised to play an integral role in Nigeria's sustainable energy future.